Hello, dear students. Welcome. What do you see in the picture? Do you know anything about this picture? The woodcutter was awarded with all the three X's for his honesty. So, follow. There are three X's. A material used for cutting. A visible name of object. Honesty. Unseen or invisible. That means যা দেখা যায় না. A name of a quality. So honesty is invisible name of a quality. Can you guess what are we going to discuss today? Noun. After we have started this lesson, we will be able to explain noun and its classifications, define the definition of nouns, identify nouns. So I have given you 4 pictures. First one, honesty. Second one, horse rider. Third one, gold. And fourth one, determination. What kind of words have you observed? Naming words. That means যেগুলো দিয়ে নাম বোঝায়. A noun is the name of anything. Sumaya is a girl. So here, Sumaya and girl. And kindness is a noble virtue. And here you have also found kindness and virtue. So Sumaya, girl. And kindness and virtue. Sumaya and girl, visible, দৃশ্যমান, দেখা যায়. So this is called concrete noun. And kindness and virtue, invisible. And these are called abstract noun. What are the characteristics of noun? Nouns are mainly classified into 2 kinds. First one, concrete noun, দেখা যায়, ধরা যায়, ছোঁয়া যায় এমন সব নাম. And second one is abstract noun, গুণবাচক নাম, যা দেখা যায় না, ধরা যায় না, ছোঁয়া যায় না, জাস্ট ফিল করা যায়. So now we have to make sentences with the pictures. The ball looks green. Tea refreshes our mind. We like jackfruit very much. So ball, tea, and jackfruit, they are nouns. So ball, tea, and jackfruit are concrete noun. এগুলো ধরা যায়, ছোঁয়া যায়, দেখা যায়. First one is love, and second one is kindness. An abstract noun is a type of noun that has no physical existence. Now we have to identify concrete and abstract noun. Fourth one, fifth one, sixth. First one, obviously concrete noun. Second one, wisdom, দেখা যায় না, ধরা যায় না, ছোঁয়া যায় না, abstract noun. Third one, knowledge, abilities, skills. Obviously, it will be abstract noun. And fourth one, birds, concrete noun. Fifth one, flower, concrete noun. Sixth one, honesty, sincerity, দেখা যায় না, ধরা যায় না, ছোঁয়া যায় না, abstract noun. Seventh, obviously concrete noun. And freedom, স্বাধীনতা, দেখা যায় না, ধরা যায় না, abstract noun. Generally, abstract nouns are formed with some suffixes like ness, shone, wood, sheep, meant, ce, th, ty. Kindness, preparation, boyhood, scholarship, excitement, importance, depth, ability, and so on. Identify the concrete and abstract nouns of the bold italic words from the passage below. Mother is the most blessing of Allah. Her love is divine. The kindness of mother is incomparable. She always takes care of her children. She provides her child with good foods, beautiful dresses. If her child falls in any danger, she stays in anxiety. A mother does her best for the betterment of her children. She always gives inspiration to her children to succeed in life. So we should take care of her cordially. Answer the following questions. Number A, what is concrete noun? Number B, what is the main characteristic of concrete noun? Number C, what do you mean by abstract? Number D, how is abstract noun normally formed? And number E, how can you recognize abstract noun? Now you have to do some homework. Write down at least 5 examples or names of concrete and abstract nouns from your surrounding environment. It is very easy to defeat a man with a strength, but it is very difficult to control your emotions. So thank you all. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.